I'm ABC 50's Nick Dephterous. I'm here with Dr. Carolyn Hettrich, who is a shoulder, elbow, and knee surgeon at the North Country Orthopaedic Group, and this is HealthBeats. Dr. Hettrich, you're the only high-volume shoulder replacement surgeon in the North Country. It is an honor to be with you here today. Tell me a little bit about your work.
Yes, in a typical year, I would do over 100 shoulder replacement surgeries. This is important because outcome is very closely tied to the number of procedures that a surgeon performs.
And you yourself have done incredible research into the field of shoulder replacement. Tell me a little bit about the most modern technological advancements in the field.
Right now, we're taking CT scans of all of our patients, building 3D models online in which we plan the entire surgery. Once we get the plan perfect, we then 3D print the patient's shoulder socket and guides that we use during surgery. This has resulted in better patient range of motion and outcomes and is a great advancement in the field.
And this is all available at North Country Orthopaedic Group?
Yes, we do this for all of our patients.